Hey everyone, Sash here from Clinic Sync Pro. And this update is specifically for PT Everywhere users. So for instance, for those of you that have connection with CSP and the PT Everywhere. Now, what we've done is we now are allowing you guys that have multiple locations within your clinic and you want to connect them into different platforms. So, for example, let's say I'm going to give you a case of GHL. Let's say you have a clinic that has five different locations, and you want to basically have five different sub accounts in GHL, and each one of them basically wants to connect to different PTE. Now you can do that. So when you sync with PTE Everywhere, now we added this optional clinic name. And this is how it's going to work. So I'm going to show you an example. So let's say this is your PT Everywhere. And let's say you have Clinic A, Clinic B, Clinic C, and Clinic D. And each one of these, you want to connect it to a different location inside the GHL. So what you do is, let's say you are connecting Clinic A sub-location from GHL. So you provide the obviously the username and password. And in here where it says click name, you exactly, so this is case sensitive. Make sure that if it's spaces or anything exactly like this, so you're gonna go ahead and type in exactly clinic A, and then you click on start sync. Once that's done, now you want to do your other location, you add a new GHL location, and you come in here, and next time you're gonna add clinic B. Now, this is again only for those of you that have multiple clinics and you want to basically connect each one of those to a specific location. This obviously works with webhooks, different platforms, anything else. But yeah, if you don't want to connect them to the different location, you can just leave this alone and everything will work as it was before. But yeah, this was requested by a couple of clinics. We're doing it in the background privately. Now it's released public, and every one of you that are using PTE, now you can actually use this functionality as well. If you have any question, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye.